Are you struggling to find extracurriculars to add to your college application? Well, watch this video because I'm going to talk about 3 at-home extracurriculars that you can do to boost your college application this year. It's Asia here, and welcome to The Purpose of Prep, your one-stop shop for everything study skills, college admissions, and SAT prep. Many students have struggled this year to find extracurriculars to add to their application due to being confined at home. Many activities have been modified or even canceled in order to meet the proper guidelines this year. So in order to help students find other things to put on their application, I created this video with 3 at-home activities that you can do or start right now in order to boost your college application. So let's head to the first one. The first activity I recommend is starting your own blog. If you enjoy writing and you have some kind of interest or passion that you enjoy talking about, write a blog. Setting up a blog has never been easier. Thanks to YouTube and Google, of course, there are so many resources to help you set up your own blog and manage it regularly. And if you enjoy writing, this is something that you can do for the next 4 years and talk about the things that you're passionate about. And colleges love to see this. Anything that shows a student pursuing their passions continuously for long periods of time is great on any college application. So if you enjoy the writing process, make sure you set up a blog and start talking about the things that you're passionate about. Whether that be health, video games, writing itself, doesn't matter. You can blog about anything. So make sure to give that a try. The second thing I recommend is freelancing. So this is actually a great way to make money and also boost your application. So as a freelancer, you can get paid for your unique skills that others desire. With resources like Fiverr and Upwork, you can put your services online for other people to purchase. So maybe you know how to video edit, or maybe you know how to code a website, or maybe you're a translator because you speak another language. These are things you can put up on websites like Fiverr and Upwork as a freelancer. And colleges love to see this as well. It's another way that you're pursuing your passions early on and not waiting for college to test them out. They love to see a student who is dedicated to the things that they are interested in. So if you have a desired skill, try being a freelancer. It's a great thing that college admission reviewers would love to see. Hey, stopping in real quick, if you're liking the tips so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that I can continue making more content like this. All right, let's get back to the video. The final tip I have for you for at-home activities that add to your college application is starting your own organization. Now I know, this can sound kind of daunting, but hear me out. Starting your own organization does not have to be such a gigantic task. Now I know it's a lot different from just participating in an organization to starting one, but start small. Colleges do not expect you to have a worldwide international company being ran to $1 million by the time you apply to college. That's slightly unreasonable. Not slightly, a lot unreasonable. But you can start an organization that is small and local to you. So maybe there's a common issue that your community is dealing with. Start an organization around that. Maybe you just have an interest in gardening, for example. You can start a community garden organization in your community. And thanks to the online world and access to social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and more, you can find people who have common interests in your community through Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups or Instagram communities. So maybe in your local community, you want to work on improving the literacy rate because you're interested in reading. How about starting a local organization for your community where you start a book club? That could be an organization where you're sharing books with people in your community or kids in your community to help boost literacy rates and also bring people together while at home. Once again, thanks to social media, we can do stuff like this and connect with other people in our neighborhoods without actually being face to face. And starting an organization like that, for example, if you were going to be an English major, this would be a great organization to start in your local community. Now colleges can see that you're truly interested in literature and you even took the initiative to get more people reading in your local community. That's gonna look fantastic to college admission reviewers. So, just to recap everything that we talked about, the 3 at-home activities you can do to boost your college application are starting a blog if you're a passionate writer and you have something to talk about, freelancing if you have a skill that you can share with your community online, and 4, starting an organization, a local organization about some kind of passion or issue in your local community that you love to talk about. These are 3 things that you can do right now that will truly boost your college application and stand out. If you want more guidance on college applications, make sure to click the link in my bio to my college admissions page where you can read about my unique 5-step process for applying to college. Comment down below your favorite tip from this video, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the subscribe button down below to get more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.